Guys, just got back home here in the room. Haven't organized it yet, but picked up the Marvel's Thing um, action figure from the new wave that came out, and I'm gonna take a look at it. I picked this up from a toy store. Um, I was actually able to get a better deal because the guy I wanted to pay less, so I offered the guy to keep the build a figure heads for the Super Skrull, and yeah, he gave me a better deal. So I just wanted this action figure because it looks massive. It looks badass. It looks like a badass um, a badass sculpture. And it's gonna go good with all my Hulks and um, action figures and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what the box looks like. The box looks pretty cool. Another one I want to get is maybe Doctor Doom, and maybe I'll get the Fantastic Four figures. I don't know about Hulk or She-Hulk. I haven't even seen most of the movies. I think I saw one a couple years ago. I gotta catch up and watch them again. But this figure is amazing. Let me open it up. This guy is massive. Check it out. Check it out. Makes those Funko Pops look puny. So that's what this guy looks like. Check it out. What a specimen. The orange is pretty nice. Wish I had better lighting in here, but that's what I'm working with. The hands can move. The hands can move. The legs go up and down. Looks crazy. The face looks pretty cool. And it's gonna look cool with all the other action figures. They put it next to one of these Funkos. It has a lot of movement. Even you can do move. It has a joint here that you can move. Pretty cool. I love it. Love the design. It's a great statue, a great figure to go on display. Makes all those Funkos look puny. What's up, Boba Fett? What's going on, man? You don't want to mess with me, man. Even turned the what is it, the hip or the upper torso. Check it out. So much detail in this Marvel thing. The box is cool, the figure is cool. It'll go nice on display next to the Hulks. A couple Hulk displays. So it'll go nice there. I just gotta organize. I just ordered some new bookshelf and it'll go nice with them. Go. You can pretty much move his arms all the way out. You can move his arms all the way out. His hands move. His head actually comes off if you pull it hard enough. Hands move. His upper body moves. His whole stomach moves around, which is pretty cool. His legs move. His feet move. His knees bend down. So it has a lot of, I believe it's called articulation. Sorry, I'm kind of new to reviewing these toys, but I'm sure I'll get better as we go. there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Marvel Sting, and please like our page, comment if you have it already, or if you haven't been able to find it in Walmart. It took me, I couldn't even find it at a Walmart. I had to buy it at a local toy store, toy shop or whatever. But yeah, pretty cool. Good thing I got it, and have a good one.